In the world of traffic safety, every detail matters. Every product protects lives. Welcome to Zhejiang LUBA Traffic Technology Company Limited. Founded in 1988, Zhejiang LUBA is strategically located beside the 104th National Highway. From a small workshop to a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales, LUBA has remained committed to innovation and excellence in traffic safety solutions. Our main products include rubber traffic cones, speed humps, wheel stoppers, corner guards, reflective signs, columns, and safety clothing. They are widely used in urban roads, parking areas, industrial zones, and traffic control systems. Since 1996, we have partnered with 3M to import high-performance reflective sheeting, ensuring superior visibility and safety in all environments. We operate under the ISO 9002 quality management system. From material selection to technical formulation and final inspection, every step is controlled with precision. Our products are anti-friction, cold-resistant, heat-resistant, and pressure-resistant. As a designated manufacturer by the Provincial Communication Department, our products are trusted by customers worldwide and enjoy an excellent reputation both at home and abroad. Quality first, customer first, reputation first. This is not just our motto, it's our lifelong commitment. In a rapidly changing market, we continue to innovate, expand our product lines, and enhance our services. LUBA looks forward to working with partners around the world to build a safer and smarter future for global traffic. Zhejiang LUBA, protecting every road with professionalism and responsibility.